Okay, finally we are in the challenge 2. This is all about phishing. So what we will do in this challenge is, in this story, the company TBFC has previously so many cybersecurity related problems. So what they are doing now is that they are trying to test their employees to see if their employees are educated enough to not fall for the phishing scam. So what we will be doing in this challenge is to join the red team of the company, and then we will plan and run a phishing attack against their employees. So this is what we will be doing in this challenge. The learning objective is to understand what social engineering is. You can also click over here to learn more about it in detail, and we will also learn the types of phishing, and we will also learn how the red teams create fake login pages. So let's start the attack box and the target machine both. So let me click over here, and let's now move to the task 2, and we will wait for this. So what is social engineering? Social engineering is when someone tricks a person into making a mistake. It's like doing any kind of mistake to give us a password, or opening a bad file, or approving a payment. Basically it targets people, not computers, and we use psychological pressure like urgency, curiosity, or pretending to be someone important. In a nutshell, it's all about hacking humans instead of machine. And then let's move to the phishing one. What is phishing? Phishing is social engineering done through messages like email, text, or calls, or QR codes. The goal is simple. We need to make them click, open, or replay so the attacker can steal info, money, or exit. In this story, the company teaches two different tricks to their employees. Basically, they are telling their employees to stop 2 times. For the first time, when you stop, is you ask yourself if the message feels suspicious, making you click, or promising you something. And the second stop you will take is you will slow down and type the website URL yourself, not just clicking any link that's been mentioned in the email or message. And you will also try to check the actual sender, like who sent the message. So these are the stuff and training that the company has given to their employees. Now what we will be doing next is we will be building a trap for them. What we will be doing is, we have been given a login page already that exactly look like the company login page. So we will be trying to send it to any of the employee and see if they get fall for that or not. If they enter any credential, we will capture that. So this is the script, and it is placed already in this directory. So let me open the terminal first. So let's type cd and d. So now we are in this directory. What we will do is to run the Python file. Let's first list this directory. So we will be running this one. So for that we will type /server.py. So what this does is, it started a fake login page on this link. We will see it in a moment. We can actually check what the user will see by putting this URL in the Firefox. Let me show you. See, this is what the user will actually come through when we do the phishing. So next what we will do is that this is our phishing page we will try to deliver to the employees. For that we will use Social-Engineering Toolkit. So let's move to the terminal and use that tool. This is basically open source tool. It offers so many features. One is phishing email. We will use that in this challenge. So I open the terminal. Let me type now set toolkit. As you can see, we have got some option. What we will be doing is, we are doing social engineering attacks. Next we will choose this one as instructed here. So I'll type 5, and after that we will type 1, as we are trying to do the attack only for one email in this challenge. So let me type 1. So let's see which email we will be sending the phishing page to. So okay, as you can see, this is the email we will be sending the phishing page to. So let me copy it and paste it. Now let me press enter and see what we'll be doing next. We will choose this second option by typing to, and this will act as the source email address. Now let's put the username that the sender will see. As instructed, we will type the flying deer. We will leave this blank. Same this as well. And for the SMTP email server address, we will use IP address and we will use port 25. In this case, we will write no as instructed here and then press enter, and let's see what we get next. So we are not attaching any file, so we will type n, and same we will write again, and we are not attaching any inline file. Next we will enter the email subject. So we will set the subject to this shipping schedule changes, and after this we will just press enter by keeping the default setting. For the message body, we will type any message that is convincing, and we will make sure that this link is included in it. So let's copy this message from over here and paste it here. Okay, the email has been sent to that email, to this specific email, and the source address will be this and the name of the source will be this. So let's just press enter. The message we sent to that email, we have got credential now over here. You have to keep in mind that you have to wait 1 or 2 minutes. So we have got the password and the username as well. So we'll just copy the password and let's paste it here to complete the challenge. The next subtask we have is to go to this URL, and in the user field we type this and password as admin. Let's do this first. Let me type factory, and in password let's write admin as instructed here. Okay, so the task was to go to this URL, and in the username field type this username and use actually this password we got in the phishing attack. So after giving both of these details, we click on the login, and we are in the mailbox of the factory user. As you can see, this is the email we sent. Now what we will be doing is to find out the total number of toys expected for delivery. So let's check that out. As you can see in this email, there is number of the units that will be delivered. So let's copy this and paste it here, and boom. And the final one, let's click on this as well. Finally we have done the challenge 2. I'll see you in the next challenge.